Myself Sandeep, your physics teacher. So welcome to physics class. So far we have completed 3 chapters and now we have to begin the new chapter, that is work, energy and power. So I know you are familiar by this word, that is work, energy and power. You know many things you know about this. Okay, let me ask some things from you. You are doing different tasks. You are performing different tasks. Suppose you are putting the efforts of your brain. When your exam is very near, you are putting your efforts. What does this mean? You are working. Suppose you are pushing the wall, but the wall does not change its place. So, do you performing any work? Of course, you are performing the work, but in the language of science, you are not doing the work. So, let me explain. Suppose this is the block A, weight is 20 kg, and just you are pushing this block. You are pushing this block, but you have tried a lot. You have tried a lot to move this box, but the box does not change its position. What does this mean? It means what? You are not working. Of course, you have applied the force, but this box does not change its position. So, in the language of science, you are not performing any work. You are not performing any work. Okay? So, then what is work? Let me explain. So, let me explain. Now, I have taken a block A, which is 5 kg, and you are applying the force. What happens? When you apply the force, this block come to this position. That means it has traveled, suppose 1 meter. You have applied the force and the block has changed its position. The block has displaced its position by 1 meter. It has come here. Now, in the language of science, work has been done. Okay? So, work to be done, there is 2 necessary conditions. One, force should be applied, and the second, the body should be displaced. So, what is work done? When you apply the force on any object and the body displaces, it means the body changes position in the direction of force applied, then we say that work is being done. So, what is work? What is work done? When force is applied to any object and if it displaced in the direction of force, then we say that work is being done. Okay? When force is applied to any object and if it displaced in the direction of force, then we say that the work is being done. So it means work is direct link to force and displacement. Okay? So work done is equal to product of force and displacement. Work done is equal to force and displacement, product of force and displacement. So, if F will be 0, what will be the work? Work will be also 0, definitely. And if S is equal to 0, then again work will be 0. So there should be force applied on an object and that body should displaced. There are two conditions. The force should be applied on an object and the body should displaced. Then only work is being done. Okay? So work is the product of force and displacement. So if I ask, what is the unit of work? You know, the unit of force is Newton and unit of displacement is meter. So what is the unit of work? Newton meter. Newton meter is the unit of work. But some student will ask, sir, the unit of work is joule. The unit of work is joule. We write SI unit joule. Okay, let me explain. There is one scientist. Scientist's name is James Prescott Joule. James Prescott Joule. He has contributed many things about work, energy and power. He has invested a lot of time in studying the work, energy and power. So to honor that scientist, to honor him, we write Joule. Okay? Only to honor that scientist because he has contributed his life in studying the work, energy and power and he has contributed a lot. So to honor this him, we write Joule. So we can write 1 Joule is equal to 1 Newton meter. One Newton meter. Okay? So unit of work is joule. We can also write Newton meter. Any confusion? Now let's move towards the another topic.